Have you ever noticed life moves in circles? Sukh, dukh ka pahiya, the wheel of joy and sorrow is always turning. You get the promotion you worked so hard for, pure joy. And then the pressure of the new role brings stress, a little sorrow. You have a perfect happy weekend with your family, joy, and the Monday morning hits, sorrow. This is the law of nature. But your mind suffers from what the ancient text calls Dvandmukt, which is freedom from double sorrow. Now आप मुझसे पूछेंगे ये दोहरा दुख है क्या? The first sorrow is obvious when something sad happens. But the second sorrow, that's the suffering we feel when the moment of joy ends. We get so attached to the high that the natural return to the normal feels like a crash. We are constantly chasing the peak, terrified of the valley. We spend our lives trying to escape this cycle. But what if the secret isn't to escape it, but to rise above it? To find a state of balance that isn't disturbed by the highs and lows. What if I told you we do the exact same thing to our skin? We chase the temporary joy of flawless movement only to suffer when it fades. Today, we are going to break that cycle. We will debunk 5 Indian skincare myths that keep you trapped in this loop of double sorrow. And if you wait till the end, I'll show you the scientific path to a stable, resilient, and truly radiant state. Let's talk about the glow illusion, the first myth. For years, we have been shown that a healthy glow is a perfect, flawless, almost plastic like sheen. We chase it with harsh bleaches, aggressive facials, and heavy highlighters. This is a fleeting joy. You get that parlor glow for one day, but the harsh chemicals and scrubs have actually weakened your skin. And when the artificial glow fades away, the sorrow appears in the form of redness, sensitivity, and a damaged barrier. This is the first double sorrow of skin. So, what is a real glow? It is not a surface level shine. A true scientific glow is the light that reflects off a smooth, hydrated, and healthy skin structure. This brings us to a second myth, the idea that we can attack and scrub away our problems. एक पिंपल आया तो उसको रगड़ के निकाल दो या फोड़ के निकाल दो. Sounds familiar? This is like trying to solve a problem in your life by shouting at it. It only makes things worse. Your top layer of skin, the epidermis, has a crucial defense system which is known as the skin barrier. ये आपकी skin का bodyguard है. So when you use harsh, grainy scrubs or stripping cleansers, you are firing your own bodyguard. You are creating cracks in those walls. The path beyond this sorrow is not aggressive. It's support. A truly intelligent routine starts with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that removes impurities without stripping your natural lipids, followed by a probiotic-rich toner or essence that feeds your skin's good bacteria, also known as your skin microbiome, and helps rebuild the productive and the protective wall. The strong barrier doesn't need to be scrubbed. It defends itself. Myth 3 is the trap of instant gratification. We buy expensive creams that promise to instantly fill our fine lines. And for a few hours they might. This is another temporary joy. But real long-lasting structure comes from the dermis, which is the deeper layer of your skin. This is where your collagen and elastin live. ये आपकी skin का foundation है. A surface level cream is like beautiful paint on a leak wall. True change happens at the foundation. To be free from this double sorrow, we must build from within. This is where ingredients like peptides come in. Peptides are not quick fixes. These are intelligent messengers that signal your own skin cells to produce more collagen. It's slower, but it's a more profound process. It's not about faking a temporary plump. It's about rebuilding your skin's own natural strength and resilience. It's a natural, long-term investment in your skin's future. This next myth is perhaps the most painful one we have been taught in India. That's the goal of skincare, to be fairer and have a lighter skin tone which equals to a healthier one. This has kept millions of us in a cycle of sorrow, chasing an ideal that isn't even our own. As a biotechnologist, I can tell you with 100% certainty that the color of your skin has absolutely nothing to do with its health. True skin health happens at a cellular level. A healthy skin cell is one that is protected from damage, functions optimally, and produces enough energy. This is the job of antioxidants. Ingredients like a stable vitamin C and turmeric extract act as personal bodyguards for your skin cells. When your cells are healthy, your skin radiates a powerful, authentic glow no matter its beautiful color. असली ग्लो वही है जो आपकी नेचुरल स्किन टोन में आए. And finally, the biggest myth of all, the one that keeps us trapped forever in the cycle of double sorrow. The perfect product is the final answer. We buy a new serum, our skin looks great for a week. Joy. We have stressful week at work, we don't sleep, and a pimple appears. Again sorrow. We blame the product and we start the search all over again. The truth is, your skin is a mirror. It reflects your sleep, your stress, your diet, and your entire life. No product can make you immune to your life's ups and downs. So, what is the solution? What is the secret to life beyond this duality? It is resilience. An intelligent skincare routine isn't magical cure. It's your ally. It's a tool to build your skin's resilience. At Radiome, our probiotic first philosophy is designed to do exactly that. We build a strong balance and healthy skin barrier so that life's sorrows like a sleepless night, a stressful deadline do happen, but your skin has the strength to bounce back faster. It suffers less. Freedom from double sorrow doesn't mean you'll have a bad skin day again. It means you understand the cycles. It means you have the knowledge and the tools to support your skin through its ups and downs without the emotional roller coaster. It's the freedom of knowing you are building a foundation of true, resilient health. If you are ready to stop chasing temporary fixes and start building a foundation of real skin health, I invite you to the next step. The link to my free 10-minute microbiome audit is in the description below. It's a one-on-one scientific consultation to help you understand your skin's unique needs. Also explore the Radiome range, your allies in building a resilient, balanced, and truly radiant state. That link is also in the description. Thank you for joining me in this journey today. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to your skin. Namaste.